From R.D. Sharma, Class 6th Mathematics, Chapter number 7. In that, first topic is decimal as an extension of a place value table. Now you had learned that place value table of 100. First of all, it will come as 1000, after that 100, then tens, then ones. Till here you had learned. If you had given that this number 6543 and you have to place it in place value table, so how we can place it this, right? 6 is in thousands place, 5 is in hundred place, 4 is in tens place, and 3 is in ones place. Now here in decimal include this table, such as the thousand, hundred, tens, ones. This one we had learned. Now added after point, that is tenth, which is 1 upon 10, which is 0.1, hundredth 1 upon 100, which is 0.01, and thousand, so 1 upon 1000, which is 0.001. Okay, now if you had given a number such as, I'll take this one only. Okay, 6 2 6 5 4 3.101. Okay, this we had given a number and we have to place in place value table. So first of all, this is 6000 place, then 5 is on 100 place, so 4 is on tens place, and 3 is on ones place. After point, it will goes that it is tenth. Now after point, this one is on 10th place, so I'll write here this 0 is placed on 100th place, so 0, and this one is on thousands place, so it is 1. Okay, if we'll take another number which is 745.01. Now 7 is on 100 place, so 7 right here. 4 is on 10 place, so 4. 5 is on ones place, so 5. 0 is on 10th place, so 0, and 1 is on 100th place, so 1. Okay, now let us start with an exercise 7.1. First one, write the following decimal in the place value table. Now we have to draw the place value table. Here 52, 12, 15, 74, only tens place and 1 place given, so I am starting from 10th and 1 place only. Here I had drawn place value table of tens, ones, tenth, hundred, and thousands. Now here it is 52.5, so 5 is on 10th place, so 5. 2 is on ones place, so 2. After point, 5 is on 10th place, so 5. Here 12.57, so 1 is on 10th place, 2 is on 1 place. After point, 5 is on 10th place, so 5, and 100 is on 10th 100 place. 7 is on 100 place, so here 7. Now 15.05, 1 is on 10th place, 5 is on 1 place. After point, 0 is on 10th place, so 0, and 5 is on 100th place. Now for 74.059, now 7 is on 10th place, 4 is on 1's place, 0 is on 10th place, 5 is on 100th place, and 9 is on thousands place. Now 0.503, so 0 is on 10th place or 1 place, ones, so not here 0. 0 is on ones place. After point, 5 is on 10th place, 0 is on 100th place, and 3 is on thousands place. Write the decimal shown in the following place value table. Now here we have to write the decimal number. So 307, 3 is on 100 place, and writing here answer. So 307. After ones, we have to put a point, then after 10th, 1, 2. So 307.12. Now second one, 9543.025. Okay, 9543.025. Now third one, here 10th place is 1.503. Now question number 3, write each of the following decimal in words. Now this decimal we have to write in words. Now these are the questions, that is 175.04. So what we will write in words, 175.04. Right? Now second one, 0.21. So 0.21. 9.004. So 9.004. And last one, 0.459. So 0.459. Okay. Question number 4, write each of the following as decimal. Now this one we had given in fraction form, so we will convert this whole into decimal form. Okay. Now first question is 65 plus 2 upon 10 plus 7 upon 100. So first what we write, 65 plus this 2 upon 10 we have to convert in decimal. So 0.2 plus 7 upon 100 convert in decimal, 0.07. Okay, here 2 0 is at the after 0.2 number should be there. So 0.7. Now this we have to plus it. So you can plus here 65 plus 0.2 plus 0.07. So here nothing means 0, here 0.00, 7 2.56. So answer is 65.27. Okay, same way this also, 45 plus 9 upon 100 is there, so 0.09. Now we have to plus this, so 45 plus 0.09. Now here 0 upper side nothing means 0 so 90.45. so what is the answer? 45.09. here 88 plus 5 upon 10 is there, so 0.5 plus 2 upon 1000 is there, so 0.002. here 3 zeros are there, so after 0.3 number should be there, so 002. Now we have to plus this, that 88 plus 0.5 plus 0.002. here nothing means 0, 0.000. 205.88, so 88.505. 88.505. Now fourth one, 3 upon 10 plus 7 upon 1000. So 0.3 plus 0.007. We have to plus this. So what we will write? 0.3 plus 0.007. Here nothing means 00 upon 703.0. So what is the answer? 0.307. Write each of the following as decimal. 5 and 4 tenth. Now on 10th place 4. Okay. So 5.4, right? because on 10 plus 4 is there. Now 12 and 4 100. So 12 means 12 here first. After 12 point and 4 is on 100 place. So on 10 place 0 will come, and after that 4. 9 and 700 5000. 9 and 7. 9 and 700 5000. So 9 on ones place, point 7 is on 100th place. Here th is there, th. So 7 is on 100th place. So on the 10th place it is 0, and then 100th is 7, and 5 is on 1000. So 9.075. 0.526. So 0.526. Simple. Another one, 47 and 6000. So 47, 6 is on thousands place. So 0, 1 on 10 place, 0 is on 100 place, and after that 6 is on thousands place. 8000. So 0.008, because 8 is on thousands place. 19 and 1900. So 19 dot 1 19 is on 100. So 1900, 19.919. Thank you for watching this video.